guys want to know how I make my videos on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the steps I use and the different applications I use to actually make my videos come to life. So this is the first application. I use OBS Studio. It's completely free, and I use it to record my videos and stuff. So I will be showing you, first of all, the sources. I just use the audio input capture. This is like, it'll just collect your voice, and like it'll, whenever you finish recording a video, you can hear the person's voice in the video. And display capture, it's just so you guys can see my screen. There's also a game capture, but that's mostly for like gaming and stuff, not for like coding. And I also have two hotkeys actually that I use. I just have numberpad plus to start my recording, and to stop my recording I use delete. That's just so you guys won't be able to see me on OBS Studio whenever I make like regular videos, or else I'd have to edit all that out. So the next application I use is actually Clipchamp. It's pretty straightforward. It's just an editing software. It's easier than like Premiere or like all those other fancy video editing softwares. It's for like beginners, I guess. So if I say like, if I create a video, this is what will pop up. I can import a media, so like whatever file I get from here, from OBS Studio, I can import it here and edit it. I'll also import like this video. I don't know what this video is. It's probably just like one of my junk ones. So I'll just use this as an example. So there's a lot of features in Clipchamp actually, surprisingly. So the most simple feature is probably just like the split one. You can just press S. I just usually click the button, but it basically splits your recording, and it just like wherever this pointer is. And here, I'll show you guys a trick. If you put this pointer somewhere else and hit split, there'll be this little portion, and if you want to delete it, you just click delete. It'll be right out of your recording, so it's basically like a cut now. It's pretty cool. I use it in all of my videos, and this is probably my most favorite part of Clipchamp. There's a bunch of options that you can use to edit your video. Like there's filters. I can do like all of these. Most of them, they are premium. You have to pay for them, but there's some pretty there's free ones that you can use. See, so all of this is now just like this deep fried thing. Now if I split it, I can do this. Now it's close line, but still deep fried here, and this is unfiltered. So this is pretty cool. There's audio. If you have audio, it's a volume. If you like scream on accident or something, you can turn the volume down so your viewers don't die. And then fade's pretty amazing actually. It's pretty straightforward. It just fades in, fades out. Maybe like an intro or an outro or something like that. And the speed is just the speed of your video. I don't know why you would do 16x. That's just crazy, but I mean, it's there if you need it. If you remember my first few videos, I didn't actually have my voice. I didn't use my voice, and that's because I actually used a music, and that's what I have here. I actually have some music, and say I'll just use this as an example. I can just drag this here, and this song will play for the whole video. So the video is this long, it'll end right here. It'll play it for all of this, so it'll play more than the video, which is pretty cool actually. You can edit the song as much as you want. So yeah, stock videos are amazing. It's just like an intro and outro, free intros and outros. Here, I usually use like this one. I think it's pretty cool. There's like sound to it, which is amazing. I can add it to my timeline in video now. So now I have like an outro, which is pretty cool. These are just like background and stuff, like if you want to use your intro or something. That's an animated one. That's pretty cool actually. And I think these are just like random GIFs. Stock images, just like block colors, backgrounds. Ones that are, I don't think, animated actually. And graphics, pretty straightforward. Basically just like shapes, stickers, stuff like this. Transitions, these I don't use that much. It's just like it transitions into like a whole different scene and stuff. Brand kit, I don't even know. I think this is like you add your own type of things, but I haven't gotten here yet. I usually just use music and SFX and like templates and stock videos. But yeah, you can also record in Clipchamp. You don't have to actually do the OBS thing. You can record in Clipchamp and it'll be just as good as OBS. I just use OBS because I think it's like I'm just so used to it, right? So I just use that instead of this. But you can always use the Clipchamp recording software. After I actually finish recording and editing my videos, I actually upload them to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is where I actually publish my videos. This is probably like the easiest part. It's just like your recommendations. I just click create, upload a video. I actually never have gone live. I'm actually gonna do that like somewhere this week, sometime this week. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is where you can just upload your videos. Mostly, I go here, right? Clipchamp. I download my edited video. I export it and then I import it into YouTube. So when I click select files, I'll have like a file in my downloads that I can use. So it's cool. I'll just select a video for you guys so I can show you. I'll just do that one. I'll show you the process. Yeah, so first is the details. I can actually just do the title, like I can do anything. Python. I usually know like Python basics or something. Description. It tells you what it is, tell viewers about your video. You can do anything. I just like in my latest video, I think I put my Twitter and stuff. So yeah, go check that out. Um, Thumbnail. It's a thumbnail. You can't go wrong with a thumbnail. Um, I'll get on that later in this video on how I make my thumbnails. So stay tuned for that. Playlists. If you made a playlist, you can make the video go into that playlist. I only have one playlist for now, Python Basics. I'm not gonna add it into that because, of course, it's just like a junk video to show you guys. And then you can actually set this to make it for kids or not for kids. And there's like age restrictions. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. I usually go with this, as you can see, because if you restrict my video to viewers over 18, then people that are less than 18 can't actually like look at my video. It'd be restricted. That's not fun because my videos aren't bad, they're good. They're for kids, so yeah. Next, you can click next. You can add subtitles. I don't add subtitles. It's just a big process to me. But yeah. Add an end screen. Promote related content at the end of your video. You can do that. I haven't imported it yet, so it doesn't work right now. That's why I can't really like add anything. These add cards. Add cards like how do I explain this to you? So it's a gray thing that pops up on the top right of your screen whenever you watch a video. And it just links it to like any of your like old videos or like whatever you link it to. So it's actually pretty cool. Checks. This is really important. If your video has like music that you've taken from someone else, they can copyright you, and this is usually like whenever I accidentally like use music that I didn't know was someone else's, um, that copyrighted me. Like here in Clipchamp, I use the music in SFX. This, if you use music here, that'll get copyrighted here. So just watch out for that. It's not like you'll go to jail or anything. It's just like you won't get any revenue, and I don't get revenue anyway, so I'm okay with that. Visibility, this is pretty straightforward. You can save and publish it. Um, you can set it as public, like anyone can watch it. It's like on YouTube now. Unlisted, that means anyone with a video link can watch your video, so only the people with a link that you sent them can watch the video. And private, it's just you and whoever you want to share it with. Schedule, this is usually for like big events that happen, and this you can just like place a time, and whenever someone checks like your thumbnail, right below that it'll show you what when the video will air. So that's pretty straightforward. Schedule it. I'm not doing that right now because this is not really a video, you know. But once you do that, it'll get published to the world, you know. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna delete that forever. I don't really care about it. So yeah. Okay, time for the final step of making videos on YouTube. So this is Photopia. So if you don't want to pay for like Photoshop, because Photoshop is expensive, like I'm not gonna pay for it. I use Photopia. It's a free ripoff of Photoshop, but it's a good ripoff. You know, it's free. Anyone can use it. It's just as good as Photoshop. Yeah, it's a browser thing. You can just type in your browser photopia.com and it'll come up. I'll link that in the description, by the way, if you guys want it. Now. So you see, I clicked create a new project, and this is what popped up. All right. Um, so you can name your project. I'll just name it like YouTube uh, thumbnail. I don't know. You can name it anything you want. Um, you can set the height and width. This, if you're using it for a thumbnail, I'll post the dimensions in the description, but it's like there's a certain amount of dimension that you'll need for a thumbnail. So make sure you set it to that if you actually want to like have a good thumbnail, right? So DPI, pixel inches, you don't need to worry about all this. Background, pretty important. Black, transparent, custom. Custom just like this, so you can select any background you want. I'll just make it blue. Blue is cool. Everyone likes blue. I'll just create that. I don't use these, so create. There's a blue background, as you can see. So what you can do is, what I do actually is I just why is this layer locked? So I usually just like add an image and stuff. It's pretty easy. I'm just gonna open a new one because I don't like this blue background. I don't usually use this. I use a gradient, which is right here. Here, I'll show you guys how to do that. Wait, I just create this. Alright, so it's pretty easy. You just create a gradient. That's the first step I do. In all of my thumbnails, you'll see at least a bit of gradient on the thing. But on my recent thumbnails, I actually have like a black border that I use. So to do that, you just click the rectangle tool. Have this as black, fill as black, and then you just fill it with black. As you can see, done. Now you can use this rectangle tool, select whatever to make the border, right? Because I need to make this part the border. Yeah, just like estimate it. It doesn't have to be perfect. The viewer's not gonna care about this like dimensions. That looks decent to me. So now I can click this gradient tool, alright, and I can select whatever color I want actually. I'm just gonna do, what color should I do? I'm just gonna do like Yeah, like a baby blue, I guess, something like this. I don't know. You can do anything you want. Um, this layer is not editable. That's because you need to rasterize it. Make sure you rasterize it. It's kind of important. I think I like that. That's decent looking. I don't really like that background though. That background is really goofing off. So I'm just gonna not include that background because I just don't feel the mood to include a background in this one. Because baby blue, I guess it's just baby blue, so it just looks cool by itself. Um, Now I just add images for like on my image. I just add images, and I actually add just like a text, so I can do open place, download. I think I have some. I think I have a file that I could use. Uh, yeah, this one's good. I guess it's a transparent image, so you can just like not do that. So I do that, and then I just add like text, say like oh, Python basics class. I don't know. You can do anything you want on that. Of course, increase the font. You actually want your viewers to, see your thumbnail, what it's trying to say. Uh, Make the fonts like, readable, and fiddle around with it. This is just your creativity. It's like all up to you. Yeah, that's pretty good to me. That looks pretty decent. Now, oh, nope, I don't want that. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, pretty long tutorial. Actually, this is probably like one of my longest videos. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Please like the video. Um, Share it with your friends. Make the channel blow up. And yeah, thank you.